morning student. Today our topic is IS-95. IS-95, the full form IS is Interim Standard 95. So first of all we have to discuss about the code division multiple access scheme that came into existence in 1989 and spoke that it is the best technique suitable for digital cellular system by various tests. In CDMA, the main advantage are it can tolerate interface with split spectrum technique. It provides high security. It's helped in achieving high capacity land mobile communication system. So the speed spectrum technology was mainly used in CDMA for enhancing security data transmitted. Thus, in application where the high security in demand, the technique can be used. And the CDMA has several advantages when compared to FDMA, frequency division multiple access, and TDMA, time division multiple access. A United States digital cellular system that is based on CDMA technique that guarantees that high capacity was known as Interim Standard 95, means IS-95, and standardized by the United States Telecommunication Industry Association, means TIA. IS-95 standard is comparable with the US analog system, that means AMPS. What are the features of IS-95? If we see the feature of IS-95, then we see that it's permit every subscriber within a cell to make use of a radio channel where the same radio channel used by the subscriber of adjacent channel cells too. So this is possible with direct frequency speed spectrum technique, means DSS technique. This technique is used, and if IS-95 uses speed encoder Qualcomm 9600 bit per second, then code existent linear predictive coder QCLP, which can detect the voice activity and also reduce the data rate up to 100, means 12,000 bit per second in silent pure. Then if we see that it uses specific modulation and speed spectrum technique in its forward as well as reverse link, it is comparable with IS-41 networking standard. Then the topic is channel and frequency use. Channels and frequency used in IS-95. So in IS-95, the frequency range for forward link is 89069 to 894 megahertz. We see that for reverse the link, this is forward. For reverse, this is 824 to 849 megahertz. So a version of IS-95 is designed to use the operating frequency in the range of 1800 to 2000 megahertz. So for cellular band operation, the forward and reverse channel pair in IS-95 are separated by a frequency of 45 megahertz. And the total speeding factor used is IS-95 is 128, means chip of 1.228 mega chips per second. The speeding process is different for forward and reverse link. Then if we see the protocol architecture of IS-95, here we see that there is active and this is traffic, this is big timeout. This is the MAC stated in CDMA 1 IS-95 standard. And here we see, like OSR model, there are some model we see the OSR are used frequency use radio transmission and function of layer 1 related to effective of delivery voice and data packet. So if we see the picture in here the protocol architecture, then we see the bottom is physical layer, means this is the OSI layer 1. Then here we take multiplexing, delivering RLP. This is OSI layer 2, and here we get packet data application OSI level 3 to 7. There we get TCP and UDP. This is connected to IP, Internet Protocol. Voice applications, there is circuit data application, OSI layer 3 to OSI layer 7. So under layer 2 the medium access control MAC sub layer takes the care of channel management. This MAC sub layer follow a finite state of machine that is two state. The status of the packet data in transmission is a finite state of two cycle, and each transmission of different state is maintained. Whenever the mobile station or MS is idle, it is considered to a big time period. Whatever we see in big time period, and the if we see that in the active mode the state, the active state, the channel are assigned to the mobile, and in dormant mode and the mobile unit do not maintain any sequence of channels. So since they do not maintain any sequence in channel, there is no strict mechanism for transmission user data and user in dormant state. And after the idle period, that is MS is idle or bit a mobile channel go to the dormant state, thus the data of various sources are being multiplied at the first and then hand over to the for transmission. So these are the important terms related to channel IS-95. If we see that the forward channel are known as the downlink channel, they carry the traffic from the base station to the mobile station. Effectively it's 24 consists of 64 channel, and the respective logical channel are different from one another by various CDMS speeding code, and it is called orthogonal code or Walsh function. Some dedicated and common traffic channel, if we see that they are synchronous channel. It is the optional channel used for synchronization information to the mobile station. It is present in many cases. It is not considered in red cell if the mobile channel will operate at the data rate 1200 bit per second. Then we see the paging channel. Paging channel, it is optional channel, and there are four type of message forward CDMA channels. They are paging, overhead, order, and channel. And up to 7 paging channel are used. It operate one of the data rate, namely 2400, 4800 or 9600 bit per second. Then we see there is pilot channel. In pilot channel, the timing gives the related information to the mobile station with respect to the forward CDMA channel, and it compared the signal state of the base station. Data rate is 19.2 kbps and the channel is stream of 0 without discontinuity. Then we see the traffic channel. In traffic channel, the used to carry the user data at the rate of 1200, 2400, 4800 or 9600 bit per second. The traffic channel are actually speed of a PN sequence and long bit, and it helps the differentiate mobile station. All the channel are properly closed and interleaved except the pilot channel. Then we see that reverse CDMA channel. In reverse CDMA channel are also known as oblique channel, and the reverse channels are associated in access channel and traffic channel. And reverse channel, if we see the access channel are used for mobile station for call initiation and provide the response of the paging message mentioned previously. The access channel can be up to 32 channel and operate 4800 bit per second, and the traffic channel intend to carry user information for data possible with the channel for 1200, 2400, 4800 and 9600 bit per second. Also they payload the traffic of various output that I mentioned above. So these are the channel we have seen the IS-95 and what are the feature of it and architecture of it.